Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about today, we've got the Boston Whaler 23 Outrage 2019. It's as you can see, it's got the large flared bow, so this will handle the big water very well, especially for a 23-foot boat. And as you see the profile, it's got the stainless steel insert. You've got the bow sunshade up there, which goes up and down very easy and quickly to give you shade if you want it. It's got the T-top. And as we move down, you'll see the black boot stripe on it as well. And as we come around the back, we've got recessed trim tabs. Fantastic, great, doesn't interfere with the running of the boat at all, but you've got the two tabs in the back, and then it's powered by the brand new Mercury Verado. It's the 300, and it's just, this new engine is just off the charts. It's quieter, it's less vibration, it's more fuel efficient, it's lighter, it does everything exceptionally well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 23 Outrage. Start at the back of the boat. We have the bench seat, which holds two adults very comfortably here. If you are going out for a ride and you're not fishing for the day, a couple of people can sit comfortably right here. And then if you are fishing, all you got to do, now you've got a great leaning post, a couple of rod holders right here. You've got a large live well conveniently located in the back of the boat. And then the seat does a couple of things. Especially if you are fishing, but even if you're not, and you're just preparing a little food or cutting bait or whatever it may be, you've got a nice tray right here to do it with. Conveniently locks up, folds up, and locks. And this is the back of the seat. But if you want, you can lower this down. Now you've got an opposing seat this way. So this is fantastic as well. So very unique seat. Does quite a few things very well. Let's hop to the Helm Area. Very comfortable place to put your feet when you're driving. It's actually real comfortable. Traditional whaler steering wheel, digital throttle, plenty of room for a large GPS. You've got your windlass control, you've got your fusion stereo, all your rockers, and then you've got your smart craft, which gives you all your temperatures and your pressures and fuel burns and all that stuff you're going to need to drive the boat. As we move to the mid cabin, it's very large, has a porta potty in there. Also has a window, so you've got extra daylight down there, and you've got extra air if you do need it. So plenty of room down there to use that. And as we come up to the bow, you've got U-shaped seating with storage underneath the forward cushion right here. Rod holders, drink holders, stereo speakers right here. You've got the low profile rails all the way around the boat, which is great to hold on to. And then I've got a fish box down here, and then a very comfortable two-person seat here that doubles as a fish box underneath. So just another convenient place to keep all your catch. You've got the windlass in the front, and which can be controlled also at the helm. So all around this boat for 23 feet gets you in the backwater, no problem at all, but it'll also take you offshore 20, 30, 40, 50 miles out safely. So any questions on it? My name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.